Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 25, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column J, we have 1763, that 4 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Fourth row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, ninth grade. We already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row, column I, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The ninth grade, only one number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Third row, fourth row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Fifth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Eighth row, 10th row, column C, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8, second row also we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, column G, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Eighth row, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, column B, column C, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row, column F, we have pair numbers 2 and 8, so 2 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then seventh row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, column F, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 9, 6. Third row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then fifth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. Then seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row, 10th row, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, column G, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 1, So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. 10th row, column B, we have 1. 9th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column E, we will get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.